What's up, weirdos? All right, we got big news to dive into this Monday morning, guys. We got Jasmy news, we got Onyx coin news, we got Zebec news, and so much more. Let's get into it, guys. Nice little start to the week. How are things looking? Well, I mean, mixed bag, kind of a mixed bag, but I am expecting, as I've been saying, lower sweeps of the lows. My wording is terrible today. I am expecting more downside. Let's put it that way. Jasmy up 2.5% on the day, 8.2 on the week, down 37.3 on the month, and 17.7 on the year. Up one spot in rank to 87. A $686 million market cap, 60 million in volume. There's still not much volume in the market though. That's the thing, guys, right? None of green is not sustainable with no volume. What do we got? Swift coin down 2.8% on the day, even on the week, down 42.7 on the month, but up 91.5 on the year. Down 9 spots in rank to 305, a $108 million market cap, 1.69 million in volume. Jeez, I gotta start buying some Swift coin, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. XEN down 2.2% on the day, up 5.6 on the week, down 41.2 on the month, but up 330 on the year. We're down 6 spots in rank to 129, a $412 million market cap, 31 million in volume, and Zebec's looking juicy today. Up 8.1% on the day, down 23 on the week, and 12.2 on the month. Up 23 spots in rank to 386, a $76 million market cap, 39 million in volume. Let's go look at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? All right, so Bitcoin just doing its thing here. Came up to the bottom of this golden pocket here at 84,000 and rejected off. Now we're sitting down at 83,470. Just ping-ponging now between 82 and 84 before. So here's the thing, guys, and I ranted about this last night, but here's the thing. So everyone wants to know which direction we're going to go in, obviously, right? Well, listen, got to keep an eye on the charts. What's going to happen here? If Bitcoin gets up above this blue line way up here at $91,000 and starts closing daily candles above there, well, that would invalidate a deeper correction to the downside. However, if Bitcoin starts breaking back down below 82,000, this yellow line, and starts closing daily candles below there, well, then this comes into play at the somewhere between 68 and 69K, but it could get caught between 72 and 74, depending, right? So that's basically what we're doing. And until we make a decision, we're just kind of ping-ponging in this range here, right? So yeah, so that's what we're watching. And you know what? I'm going to make this line yellow as well, so you guys can identify that, right? So I'll just move this over to match there. So there. Now between those two yellow lines, guys, if we close above the top yellow line, we're invalidating that move to the downside. If we close below here, we're invalidating a break to the upside, right? That's how this stuff works, guys. There is no certainties in charting. I was watching Caesar today, and he was talking about the very same thing, and he made a very valid point. If you are under the impression that that there is one right answer that you can get in technical analysis, then it shows that you have a lack of experience in the market, right? There is no certainty in charting. That's not what technical analysis is. Technical analysis is not for sure 100% this is where it's going. That's not how it works, right? The charts can indicate one thing and then do the complete opposite because of macroeconomic factors, or it's just, whatever the reason is, right? It can change direction. Right now, it looks like we're going to break to the downside and start closing daily candles below this yellow line at 82K, right? Which is further downside for your altcoins as well, which I got to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of hoping for at this point because we're down here. Let's not do it half-assed. Let's actually even at least go down to 72 to 74K. let's get down there, let's get greasy, let's get in there elbow deep, right? And let's dollar cost average, let's buy up that deep dip before we move to the upside. That's what I want to see happen. But the good news is, because I want that to happen, it probably won't, right? So there you go. But so that's charting is playing in probabilities. Okay, that's what you're doing, right? So there's a probability, if we start closing above this line, 91K, that we continue to the upside and we invalidate this move down. If we close here, there's a probability that we're not moving to the upside anytime soon, and that we have a couple more months, we're going to sweep the lows, right? It's probabilities, guys. There's no certainties in crypto. None. Not one certainty in charting. Absolutely zero. Get that to your heads now, right? I don't know if it's a generational thing where people think that. I have no idea. Maybe it's I don't know, some sort of misunderstanding. I have no idea, but it's not accurate at all. It's not accurate at all. All right, so Jasmy still inside its falling wedge pattern, guys, waiting for it to break the upside. Again, none of these, the good thing is all of these altcoins are in bullish structures, as we can see on their charts. That's the good news. The bad news is there's no volume in the market for any of these bullish structures to play out, right? So, I mean, if we go over, I kind of switched over to the weekly time frame here on Swiftcoin, because what we are doing on the weekly is we are setting higher lows and higher highs as we go here. This comes all the way back to, geez, I don't even know what was the date back then. It's not telling me right now. Anyway, it was a while ago. Anyway, it was probably 6 or 7 months ago, right? So yeah, that was what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was about 5 months ago. Sorry. So 5 months ago. So this structure, we're putting in higher lows and higher highs, which is a bullish structure on the weekly time frame for Swiftcoin, guys, right? So we are getting close to that bounce. Are we going to come? We almost wicked down to it here. Are we going to come down to it, touch it? That would be right down here at about 2091 before bouncing to the upside once more, right? We don't have to exactly touch it, just so you know, but you know, it would be pretty nice to retest this trend line as support before moving further to the upside. So Swift is in a very bullish structure, despite what you may feel about it right now. Going over to Zebec, same thing, guys. Bullish structure, no volume for the confirmed breakout. So unfortunately, it's not going to happen until we get volume pouring back into the market. When is this going to happen, you might ask? Well, my target is somewhere around, we were actually speculating about this on the Patreon last night. And we were talking about if Powell comes out this month and even starts hinting at stepping away from quantitative tightening, we could see this market take off. Now, we're not going to see rate cuts, I don't think, until probably June, right? But if he starts talking about, stepping away from quantitative tightening, that in itself could be enough to drive volume back into the markets. So we're going to have to pay attention to that this week, right? So yeah. All right, couple of things to cover today, guys. But before we do, a little bit of Onyx coin news. Before we do, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Use our link down below to get a phenomenal deal. Listen, guys, not your keys, not your coins. Hold your own crypto. Do not trust these exchanges with your crypto. I saw something we're going to cover later today with Dennis Leary talking about how exchanges like Coinbase are safer than holding your coins yourself. Dennis Leary, you must understand, invests in the stock of these exchanges. So it is in his best interest that people use exchanges as opposed to self-custody. So keep that in mind. Remember, watch what they do with their money, not what they say with their lips, right? So remember that, guys. All right, Onyx coin, bullish momentum hints at a massive upside potential. According to analysts, by the way, guys, this article is on Binance Square, where we are still waiting for a listing for Onyx coin. According to analyst Javin Marks, the price of Onyx coin is holding firm after its recent high volume surge. A hidden bullish pattern has emerged, signaling further gains, with a breakout sustaining Onyx Coin's next target sits at 18 cents 16. This implies a potential 1,110% price increase from the current trend continues. Besides, the asset has transitioned from a prolonged downtrend into a notable uptrend backed by rising volume and market sentiment shifts. For a few months, Onyx was subject to a relentless selling pressure, driving prices lower, but the decline eventually lost steam, allowing the bottom pattern to occur. This phase set the stage for the next break above the declining trend line. The breakout was preceded by a volume explosion, confirming greater buying interest and increased investor demand. Consequently, Onyx Coin entered a bull trend. With rising highs and rising lows, the trend reversal has shown as price action continued moving in the positive direction. In addition, the rising trading volume witnessed is proof of a high demand, that it is a high demand asset. All these indicators in unison point towards the long run bull trend, which fuels more speculation regarding future profits. After reaching a peak, Onyx Coin experienced a minor pullback. This correction reflects profit taking and consolidation rather than weakness. Importantly, the asset has maintained support above previous resistance levels. This suggests that the uptrend remains intact and the market is stabilizing before another potential breakout. Moreover, the extended bullish trend implies a likely retest of key resistance levels. If Onyx Coin continues this way, breaking through these levels could push the asset into even greater upside potential. The trading volume pattern also confirms extreme market involvement, bolstering the asset's bullish outlook even further. Big things coming for Onyx Coin in the near term, guys. Do not lose sight of that if you are an Onyx Coin holder. This from Zebec. Guys, tweeted this out today. Something massive is about to drop. Are you ready? Coming this week. What could it be, guys? Could it be a big partnership? Could it be the latest edition of their MasterCard? Going to be very, very interesting, guys. We're going to be on top of it. We'll give you every little bit of it. You are going to love it. Also, this from Solana community, guys. Check it out. Notable RWA projects on Solana. Solana is revolutionizing RWA with tokenized real estate, DeFi bonds, and more. The ecosystem is booming. The RWA projects on Solana excite you. Do they? Which ones excite you? And here we go, guys. Boom. Zebec right there. You love to see it, right? You absolutely love to see it. Also, partnership announcement from Zebec as well. Test token. We're incredibly excited to embark on this partnership with Zebec. Now that TST is supported on the Zebec Silver card, you'll be able to spend TST anytime, anywhere with a sleek and sophisticated TST card. Very nice. Look at the card. There's a copy of it right there. Zebec offers payment cards that allow users to spend their cryptocurrency in fiat currencies without added transaction fees. There you go, guys. Get yourself a Zebec card today. Brand new partnership. And for the Jasmy lovers out there, boom, check it out. Courtesy of Blake, Jasmy has officially broken 90,000 holders. You love to see it. Progress across the board, you guys. Big things are coming for Jasmy at the end of this month. Make no mistake about it, guys. Woke up again today. Patreon exploded every single night lately, it seems like. People want to get in on these gems that we're dropping on a daily basis. Listen, we got an early on Zebec. We got an early on Swift, on Onyx Coin, on Cookie, on XPR. So many other very, very phenomenal plays. Nadix, and so much more, guys. Get over there. Check it out for yourselves. These gem videos alone are worth it. For the price of a Happy Meal, you cannot go wrong, guys. Other channels are charging you between $100 and $1,000, and the returns that people are making on these gems We made over 3,000% return on XCN alone. We made thousands on a Zebec swing trade just 2 weeks ago. That in itself pays for the price of a Happy Meal it costs you to participate and makes you tens of thousands of dollars. You're literally losing money by not being a part of our community. We are one of the largest communities in all of crypto, guys. Come on over, join the party, check it out for yourself. I promise you two things. One, it will make you a better trader and investor in this space based on the knowledge and experience of everyone we have in our community helping you succeed. And two, once you see the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips and the assistance, the help that you get, whether it's from finding gems to how to buy them, where to buy them, how to do research, how to use cold wallets, self-custody, hot wallets, Coinbase wallet, gas fees, everything you need to understand to succeed in crypto, the answers are there. We do live streams every single evening where we help everybody out. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. All of this, guys, all of this for the price of a Happy Meal. Are you kidding me right now, right? Check it out for yourselves. And if you don't like it, you can always go. You can always go, you know what, it's not for me. But I don't think you're going to feel that way. Check it out for yourselves, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.